Hi and welcome back. So I thought in this part I will do also the texturing and so on, but I decided to work a bit more on the model and put there a bit more details. Also, when I was studying this stuff, not on this image, but on something else, I saw that I did this wrong, so I need to remodel this part, so I will just delete that. Press F4 to see everything. I will turn the smoothing off. Here I can actually delete this like that, and I will start with this one here. So I'll copy this part. I will just quickly delete some polys and create the part which I was deleting a while ago. Now this is because the lines which I created there, something like this, I created them wrong, too much of them to be exactly, and I just want to fix that because anyway it wasn't looking so great how I thought. But about this I was studying also before, so you can face the fact that in some cases you will model something and after that you will just don't like that. Now I'm like that, but anyway I would like to change a few things. So I deleted some polys from this model here, the L. Now I selected the top and the bottom. I will just click a bridge. And now I need to cut this line along this. Now this will be probably a bit problem because this word is not connected to this shape. I will show you. See? So what we can do here, very simple. We'll select these edges here all around. Also with this one, connect them. I was connecting them wrong. One more time, I will move this to see everything a bit better. So yeah, like this. So I will select everything like this. I will hit connect. Probably, yeah, I have here something, so I will just apply. And now I will just weld this here. Now, very simple, very quick. Also now we can move the edge a bit down. So this is one way how to fix this very quickly. And we have back the same shape which we had before. Just need to move something there, and so we'll place it somewhere here, move in the position where it should be, and just move a few words. Anyway, we can later scale that or something else. So don't worry if you don't do the proportion absolutely like it's there. We'll do the scaling later. Okay, so the same like before. I will apply turbo smooth on this. Just one. Convert this to poly, so I will have a smooth shape. I can also affect the pivot to the center because we don't need to have it on the edge. I'll move it forward to see it a bit better. And now let's create the lines one more time. But before I do anything else, I will firstly create a line here. So I will show it very fast. Select this and the opposite poly here at the bottom. Hit loop. Of course, it will not loop everything, so I will need to select multiply times the same thing, but it doesn't matter. So two more, and we'll make here an extrude of the edges, small one. So let's go here, maybe zoom a bit on that, it's up to you, just for better thing. Now hit extrude, let's go by 0 here, let's make it a bit wider, let's go by 0.3, the value is quite nice. And we'll go inside, maybe like this. Let's go by 0.7, and we'll just apply about this. Again, turbo smooth to see how it's looking. Okay, now this is fine. This is how I like that. Okay, so we have this line here. F4 to see the edges. Now we will do these lines. Now I decided to do just 2 of them. 3 was a bit too much for me, and I will not do them everywhere. I will just do them here. Or better, you can decide if to do them everywhere or not. I mean with that, to do the lines just until here. But because this will be pulled here and nobody will see the side, we can actually do that all around. But in other cases, probably I will do this just here, until here. Okay, here will be the trick, like we was doing before. So I hope I remember the parameters here. So 0, 2 here. Let's zoom on that a bit. Let's select the edges, ring them. Oops, not loop. Monster back. So ring, control poly, extrude, select here local normal, keep this by 0. Now here we can go also with a small value, 0, 2. I think we was using 0, 2 before, so let's go with just 15. Should be enough. Let's go back to edges. We'll connect them 2 times and extrude with a very small value, 0, 3, and I think 0, 6. This was the value also before, and it was working nicely. And here I was going inside. I want to go outside, so we need here the minus sign. I was before right? No. Yeah, I was good before, so my bad. So this is fine. Okay, also this one, we can go with 2 here. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so now let's go here to the side. Now on the side I will do something similar like I was doing here around. So I will not do all around the shape something there, I will just do it here. So what I will do, I will just select these edges here, like this. I will extrude them can do the same value which was here. After all, should be the same or even a bit similar, so let's go like this. I think here it was a bit more, so I will do it like that. And of course here we will have a triangle. I would prefer to weld this here, but you don't have to do that, and I will also explain why. If we apply troubleshoot on this, we'll probably lose the shape almost absolutely. Now it's a little bit visible, but I would like to make it visible a bit more. So I'll go here top, I'll press F4, and I will select these edges here, connect them 2 times, but I will move the edges near my shape. So I will do the same as we was doing this here. So I'm just telling Max, be aware when you're smoothing this part, because I have here these borders, and you should smooth just a little bit, so it will not jump so much. Oops, that was too much. Okay, so I hope now it will be a bit more visible. Yeah, it is. So it's absolutely what I wanted to do. See, it's quite nice detail. Now, the last thing, what I will do is I will do the same like I was doing here, also here on these edges. So I will loop all these edges. I don't know if I will use the same value. It will probably a very similar value, like here, and I will do the corners of this shape. So I'm putting here a lot of details, I know, but it will be looking nice. Or it will look nice. So here we can go a bit more, I think. So let's go with the same values, like 0.6 and 0.5. No, 0.5 is probably too much. Let's go just 0.4 and 0.5 here. Should write this down because I will forget that. And we are making these nice details here, like these connections. It's always nice to have more and more details on your shape, which are looking nice. Now, this shape have quite a lot of polys and it's also eating a lot of memory, so I will go here by 1. When it's by 1, it's not looking so good, so above this I will apply a smooth modifier. It will do the same like by using the TrueBest 2. It will not smooth so much, it will not put there so much polys, but it will be still looking nice and smooth. And this is what we want to achieve when we do a sofa. It should be nice, smooth and cozy, so everyone would like to sit on that. Okay, so we have the first part of this, and a very similar shape we will do here. Okay, so let's hit 4. Let's go to the top, and the first thing which I will do is that I select this. I will hit connect and move this line here. So I will do 2 connections here, the same like here, and here I will do 1 in the middle. Okay, so let's go back to perspective, rotate that. You can move this somewhere here. We'll again apply TrueBest on that. 1, we'll convert this to poly. Better. This is fine, but I think this shape here. Oh, it's fine. Okay, convert this to poly. We'll assign this a bit later. Why it's looking so untasty here. Okay, now it's better. So we have here quite a lot of polys again, but this is fine. This is the same like here. So we need to have here more polys because after all the shape should be smooth and nice. So the same which we was doing before we'll do also here. So we'll select everything which we can here all around. So basically everything. And do the same extrude or similar one, because again I don't remember the settings, and even I don't think I have bad memory, but for this, you do something 10 times, you remember that, but if you do it just once, you have a problem. Okay, so let's hit extrude, and let's say I think here we got 0.3. And here probably the 0.6. I think it was this one. Anyway, it doesn't matter much. Even that will be near together, it can be a bit different, of course. Okay, we'll just look here. If it's really the same, I would like to do something. I think here it was a bit more deep. I'm not sure about that. We'll just do that. One more. So one more time by the extrude, and let's go by 0.7. No, it's probably the same, but anyway. Okay, now we need to decide where everywhere we will do the lines which are going along this, like these ones, and also these on the side. So let's say I will move this one back here. Probably it should be somewhere here, a bit deeper. like this. We select this line, loop that, move a bit here, this I will move a bit here. So selecting this and this, I can do the chamfer, CM2. So I will do the same like I was doing in the shape before. Select this, ring, control poly, extrude by local normal. Let's go here by the 0, and here I think we was going 115. Go back to edges, connecting by 2, and extruding by a very small value. Just check. Yep. And now I will decide. I think I will do it here in the middle, the one, and it should be enough. You don't have to do it absolutely up to you, but probably here I will do it just here, or in the shape which we have visible, because if we will do that somewhere else or on the side, it will not look the same, and we would like the model will be looking same everywhere. Okay, so let's do this quick. We will not have any troubles here. And we'll see now. Oh, it's fine. So it's fine, and I like that. Cool. So I'm happy that it's looking like this. One thing which we can do anyway is the same trick like we was doing before there. So we'll do a connect just by 1, and we'll move it here near to this shape. Okay. Now let's go back to perspective. We will choose here a few lines. Let's say this one, and this one. Okay, let's move this one a bit here. So we'll have 3 lines, probably in the same position. And we don't want to make a loop, just want to select like this. So we are making a bit, oops, not this one, more complicated modeling, like we was doing just before, just by selecting and quick extruding and so on. But like this, it's probably looking better. So we are doing this for the final effect. Okay, we'll use the extrude. And here we'll use 0.3 value and 0.6. These have to be enough. You can do also this on the side, but I won't do that. And now, again, the connect tracker tool we'll use again. Cool. This was fine. Almost fine. So we need to go to the other side. And we'll do the same here and there. It's too much. Let's say here. Can do it from this side. Oops. And also from this side. So that was fine. Let's quick do it here, and we'll be done with this, which is cool. And probably also a bit better looking, like I told before. Yeah, this is fine. This is cool, and I like that. First of all, I will decrease that and apply again the small modifier to decrease the value of the faces, vertex, and polys which we have. We don't want that model at all have like million of polys, of course not. And really, waiting for the final count of that. Okay, I will try to scale this a bit. Not going me well, but I think I can do that. Probably also move a bit some stuff on here, a bit more to this edge. There it's sitting here. Probably a bit more. Anyway, this I will do at the end. Yeah, and I forgot something. The same I was doing here on the sides. And this detail is quite nice. I don't know, I like that because it looks a bit more real for me. I will use the same settings even that I think it's too much. So let's decrease this. Oops, this is too much. Like this. This should be probably enough to make that. Yeah. So okay, we have this and that. Let's say some of the pillows there. I don't know the word for that. I will hide them and we'll go back here to my shape. So here as well, I forgot something. Now, first of all, I will make this bag a bit wider. So what I will do, I will just try to select all rows in this line and just move this back like this. It should be enough. The same I will do here with the base. So I will just pull it back. I can also move this a bit down. It should be down. Now I will delete that. And let's say what details I want to create here. Oh, okay, I know. I will select this edge here and loop that. Now I will use that edge and create again some kind of extrude. I'll just deselect, no, not yet, my bad. I will select the same here. And after that I will deselect. So I will from the top view deselect everything. Like this, and this one especially. Now I will go back here, select this one here, and this one is at the bottom, so I don't have to do that. And the same here, I'll select this one, and this one is going here, so I don't have to deselect that. And I will do a simple extrude like I was doing before, quite bigger, like I have it here. And I don't know the value exactly, so I will try this one. Try that one, it was like 0505, something like that. And just simple apply traversing on that. And we'll create a similar detail like on the pillows there. You can go with a higher value just to see. So if you need or if you want, you can create a deeper one, and I think I will do that. Let's just come on one more time. So I want to go. Okay, I will do it like that. Go by 0.6 and with this to 0.4. Like this, it should be fine. So I can also turn this on. Okay, it's quite better. Now let's say I would like to do the same also here on the side. Actually here I can't do that. I will have to cut a line here, and I don't know if it's the best idea. lines for that. I'm just thinking right now if it's possible for me to do it. So I will try. Why not? So what I will do, try to insert this police here. And this is really something which I don't know if it will work. So you don't have to follow me right now. Just watch it. And I'll hit here inside to make me this shape. Which is fine. Now we can go to the left view. First of all, I think the perspective view. I did myself here things which I really don't like. The inset is not so bad, but I'm not sure about that. It's a bit too flat now. I don't like that. I'll try to use the lines which I have there. Come on, let's go back. Okay, so I'll go from this line. I'll try to do one cut here. Even that, I'm not sure if it will work. Even can cut this. Okay, this shape is quite strange. How the hell I did the cut here? Okay, I will not do any cut. I would like really to have the detail here. Well, let me think for a second. In the meantime, I think I can just fly around the shape and fix things which I don't like this word here, which could be go a bit more deeper. So this one, just a bit. Probably the same we have on the other side. Yes, we have. I will do something like this. Should be enough. The best will be to use this line here, but because we have already here something, I can do that. To do actually the same like I have here. So the only thing which we could do is to loop this line like this way here down. We do the same extrude. What we will get? Something which I don't like at all. No, I will not do the detail there. You can try if you want. I will not. I will get just with this one here on the side, and it's quite enough for me. So I did this a bit wider. Also I cut here something, and so apply here turbo smooth. Let's go back here with one, apply the smooth one, 30, unhide all. They are probably the same values which I have here. Now we can play with this a bit. So you can move, you can scale, you can even go to this mode like me and make it bigger from that, which is probably the easiest way to do that. This, lighting also in this one. Just not interact. Absolutely, just a bit. Okay, let's keep it like this here. I think it's fine. Now, let's check the poly count just to see how much we have. Now 91,000. It's not so bad for sulfur. 54 to see shade. Yes, in some cases it would be nicer to have turbo smooth by 2. You can also change the turbo smooth to this one if you like. I probably like a bit more turbo smooth because it don't affect the memories so much. So I will do this. And also, if you are happy with everything, we will do a pillow here. Pillow here and here. Not to hide this, just to make it a bit more interesting. Okay, so how to do a pillow very fast. Let's go to the top view. I'll turn this off. And we'll create a pillar from the scratch. So I'll create here a box. Yeah, I like this. It should be fine. Now with the segments, let's go by 24, 24, and 24. No, of course I don't need so much here, sides. Let's go there just by 10. Convert this to poly. Oh, we could convert this a bit later, so let's go back and apply relax on this. Relax. Okay. So we need to find our value. No, this is fine. This is so far fine. Maybe a bit more. Now convert this to poly. And with a lot of polys, this will be a high poly pillow. And I will select these two words here on the side. The same here, and actually the same on every side. Also here, and the last one here. And we will use soft selection here. So let's go to soft selection, turn it on. It's quite too high. So let's try this value. And we'll apply scale. This is too much. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, a bit too less. This to 0. And this a bit less. I think I will also turn that off. It's still too much. So I just want to drag the corners away. Not much. This should be fine, but I would like to try also some other thing. Yeah, I will do it a bit different than it was before. We'll do first something like this. Now I will go to smaller value 4 and drag this a bit. Okay. Now, oh shit, sorry. I will apply noise on that. And noise is something which I never use. So I will be just making some, or trying to do some deformations there. And I really, because I don't use that, I can create something very, very ugly, like we have here. bigger, better, like this. Now I will convert this again to poly. Oh, I don't have to. My bad. I forgot something. Let's go back here and let's select, let's say this edge, loop that, and we'll make again an extrude. Forgot to do that. Come on. So extrude. A bit like that. Maybe it's too much, maybe not. I don't think. And above everything, we'll put FFD for info. Now we need to put it here. Let's go for the control points and we'll do a bit more of the deformations to the pillow. Oh, this looks a bit strange, huh? And this is. Turn it off. I will convert this to poly. Anyway, I don't need to worry with that anymore. So I'm really trying to quickly do that. I'm not going to spend any time more that I have to. So I will just drag this up like this, and now you can do some other deformations which you like. You can put this also from this side. So just play with that. That it looks nice and almost like a original pillow. So, and as you can see, with the variation of noise, relax, and also with this FFD, you can create a pillow quite fast, quite quick, and be sure that every time something else, you probably never will do the same pillow 2 times. So let's apply here also this, and again the smooth modifier. Not just smooth, and we have here a nice pillow. Maybe this I did too deep. Yeah, it's not so bad, but it could be better. Now I will place it here to the corner. Still floating down. Okay, like that. Like this it should be quite fine. Now I will do a mirror of this. Yeah, you can apply triple smooth on this if you want. Probably will be a good idea because the smooth modifier just can't do the job. And of course this will be much more smoother, but we'll have also more and more polys there. So I will keep it like this. I think it's fine. Okay, so I will hide this because I don't need that. And we are done with our model. So let's say I will do the render from this view, this point. We'll create a camera here. I will not do the render now, I just will prepare some stuff. Now, I will probably, I think for sure, move this part this direction, and on the opposite side I will move this part, both parts, in this direction here. Now let's see, yeah, it's a bit better. So okay, we can also create a plane under that. Why not? If we have time, we will not do everything in the next part. We can do a lot of things right now, so we'll save time in the last part. So to the left, to the left, to the left. So of course we don't want the sofa is floating above, so place it really on the bottom of here. Now let's go to the camera. Let's see if the plane can hide. Yeah, in a very big distance. So what I will do, I will rotate the camera on this tool, I think. Yep. And this one will do this. Cool. Okay, I think it's everything for this part. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, like me, creating the sofa. And in the last part, we'll do actually the render, because I think we'll use the textures which we have already. So I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching one more time, and I will see you in the next part. Bye bye.